Now that we're ready for the positioner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen these bolts up here just a little so I can have play with that for our magnet. We're going to install our magnet. This allows the positioner to read how much travel is happening digitally. Again, we want a little bit of play to our left and right for when we install our positioner. Positioner looks like this. It's got its air regulator attached to the side here. Now what we're looking for is there's these black lines right here, and how we want that to line up is with the top of our magnet. There's white lines going up and down the magnet. Can we see that? Okay. And we want it to match the top of here with the lines here so that it knows that that is 0. Now you'll want to calibrate your air regulator to go about 10 psi over 30 for our actuator. So this has already been pre-calibrated, but you want to set your air regulators to about 10 psi over what's necessary. And there's warning labels on our actuators. This caution label says not to exceed 20 psi, otherwise the diaphragm in here you could burst. So we have that. Better angle than what we're doing with the side here. We have our positioner mounted. Now we want to adjust our magnet so that it is about halfway in the channel and not going to be rubbing up against anything. So that height looks good. Just we'll tighten this part down. Halfway point is where we will adjust these bolts on the clamp. Having difficulties like I am, grab a Sharpie and mark where your rings are going to sit on the clamp here. Get this positioner off. have our marks here. We're going to tighten down our bolts. So yeah, those tighten, we can then get our positioner back on there. Our positioner is set up, our magnet is where we want it. Now we can move to calibrating our position. We take off our cover plate. We need an airline connecting the top of the positioner here to the actuator so it can send air to it. Add this airline here. Insert that. Install this here. Snug. Grab some leads and install them here like so. You're going to want a multimeter to simulate a 4 to 20 signal to your position. Connect the correct leads. Hook up your air. And for calibration, you're going to hit the down arrow on the positioner. You'll see quick setup. We'll hold this right arrow. Valve will move for 3 seconds. Hold again. And now it's going to calibrate the motion of the 1.5 inch travel that we want.